Sawblade.com is pushing the limits of design, innovation, and durability with our bandsaw upgrade guide kits. I'm product specialist Celeste, and this is the Grob NS500 upgrade kit. Raise the bar on what your machine is capable of, master those difficult, intricate cuts, and get the dependability and support you need to take on any project. This is the easy-to-install, economical, dynamic solution you've been searching for. This rugged and durable kit offers a drastic improvement compared to factory blade guides, and it's perfect for general woodwork and resawing. Our guide blocks are composed of solid, high-grade aluminum and utilizes performance-sealed ball bearings. Our triple ball bearing design dramatically enhances the accuracy and overall performance of your machine by supporting the blade with two front bearings and a single rear thrust bearing. The front bearings support the blade on either side and can be adjusted for pinpoint accuracy to decrease horizontal blade walk. The rear thrust bearing is designed to roll with the blade to reduce friction and blade walk under feeding force. All three bearings are fully adjustable to allow for unmatched accuracy in a variety of band widths. This heavy-duty kit is adjustable for blades ranging from 3/16 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch and comes complete with the specialty mounting hardware, lower and upper machine guide blocks, and precision bearings. Sawblade.com is your one-stop shop for all of your Grob aftermarket needs. We have an extensive inventory for parts such as wheels, pulleys, tension springs, and much more. To further assist you in enhancing your cutting performance, please check out our quality American-made bandsaw blades. Our blades are made to order in any length, width, or tooth set. And because we don't have distributors or outside salesmen, you get factory direct pricing. We take pride in our work and stand behind our blades with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. So you can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the best deal. Thanks for watching, and for more informational videos, product overviews, and tech tips, please check out Sawblade.tv. I'm Celeste, product specialist with Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.